Dress It Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a bat to celebrate Halloween. So let's get started. To draw this cute bat inspired by Target, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a curve. Nice high curve. Then bring it down and then connect it at the bottom with a soft curve. And then we're going to come right across, right next to it, and draw another one. So same thing. Nice and high, and then connect. So now that we have these two shapes in, let's come back in here closer to this edge, and we're going to draw a circle right inside. And then I'm going to come about right here in the top and draw a circle for highlight and shade everything else in. So same thing over here, closer to this edge. Draw another circle. There. So now that I have these two circles in, have the eyes in, I'm going to come to the top right here and just thicken up this top line just to anchor the eyes a little bit better. And then from there, let's draw the mouth. So I'm going to come to the edge right here of this eye and come down just a little bit, and same thing here. Give myself these 2 points, and I'm just going to draw a curve for a big smile right underneath. There. Then from there, we're going to round it off because we want to open up the mouth on both sides. Just going to round it off. And then I'm going to bring this curve down for a big open mouth. So let's say about right here. I'm going to come down. And same thing here because we need to put in some big candy teeth, right? So there, and got this nice deep curve in. Then we're going to come inside and draw the teeth. So find your center, come to the left a little bit, come to the right. I'm just going to give myself 2 points. And from there, about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw this tooth, which is like a candy corn. So I'm going to come down to about right here, round it off, and bring it in. There, and so same thing over here. Round it off, bring it down, and about right here. Then I'm just going to lightly put in some of these stripes at a curve for the different colors in the candy corn. There. And then of course we still need to draw a tongue, so right in this space I'm just going to draw 2 curves. Come back to center and then back out. Then from there we need to draw the body. So the body is kind of like this big oval. So I will come to the top, to this edge again, right here in this eye. Come out about right here. So past the mouth, and same thing here, past the mouth, about right here. And I'm just going to draw a shallow curve right over the eyes. So we go up to about right here, center, and then we're going to come right back down to the other side. Then from there, we're going to bring this down around the mouth. And let's see, about right here, I'm going to find my center and come down to a bit about right here. Just give myself a point so I know where I'm going. And I'm just going to bring down this curve and in. So same thing here. It just helps you when you're drawing big to give yourself points so you know where you're going. There, so nice round oval. Just a very simple basic shape. Nothing fancy. Okay, so now that we have that, let's come back down. I'm going to find my center again, go to the left, about right here, go to the right. And from here, I'm just going to draw these feet. So we're going to draw in 3 zigzags and up. Nice and simple. So same thing here. 1, 2, and 3. Then we need to draw the ears. We're going to come to center once again. So about right here and go to the left, go to the right, and about right there. I'll just say about right here. It's just easier for my hand. I'm going to bring down a curve. And then I'm going to come down and in for these big bat ears. and come right here and just draw a curve. So same thing here, go up, and I'll just drag this across so I'm approximate, same height, and then come down and in. So once again, same thing for the inside. There, now it's starting to look like a bat, right? Round this one off so it matches the other side a little bit better. Okay, so then you need to draw the wings, of course. So I'm going to come out and say about right here and here. I'm just going to give myself 2 points, and I'm going to come out. Then about right here, I'll go out, up, and then start my wings. So let's say about right there. I don't have a lot of horizontal space. I'm just going to make it a little bit shorter, so about right there, and then I'm going to bring it in. 1, and I just need to remember I'm going to bring it back to there. So 2, 3, and 1 more. And then we need to draw in some details. So I'm going to come right about here. Just follow the curve that you drew and back. Oops, fix this. There, and then some lines. So let's say about right here to where the points are. And 1 here and 1 here. There. Okay, so now to draw the other side. So it's right about here and here. I'm going to drag some of these points across, and this is pretty straight, so I'm just going to say about right there, and I'm just going to drag this point across so I know kind of like where it starts to bend. So about right here, I'm going to go up. And then, let's see, we're going to go out, and I'll just drag 1 more point just to make it a little bit easier. So I'll say about right here, or just approximate. Of course, it's not going to be exactly the same, and it doesn't need to be, but we just want to approximate the same size. So from there, we're going to come down. And if you like, you can even keep dragging points across just to make it a little bit more accurate. Approximate, and come down to about right here, and then 1 more. So we're going to come back here. So this one you don't have to really do much, and then up. There. Hopefully. This one's probably a little bit shorter, but that's okay, right? So as long as it's almost the same. So then once again, we're just going to come over here and draw in some details. 1 here, and then some lines here. 1, 2, and 3. There. And last but not least, I will add a little heart right here to make this my just so cute bat inspired by Target to celebrate Halloween. I really hope you love how this cute bat turned out and that helped you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.